kings and queens, this is host MJ, owner of Reina Vieira Events Co. So today, we are here at Mary J Restaurant and Event Center to actually host a very unique birthday party, which is Gwen and Puffs. Right? Tama kayo na narinig. So we are going to celebrate the first birthday party of Lovable Puppies. Ayan. So let's go inside.
Welcome to the first birthday celebration of Gwen and Puffs. So bago po tayo magsimula, let me introduce myself. My name is host MJ, and I will be your host for today's celebration of ating mga lovable puppies. Ayan, kung nakikita niyo na po, they are on their outfit. Talagang napaka-cute. At kilala po natin yung safari theme ng kanilang first birthday party. Kaya naman tayo magsimula tayo naman sa malakas ng palakpakan. Yan. At batiin natin ang Gwen and Puffs na. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy senior sa intimate celebration. But despite of that, I want you guys to please keep your energy as high as possible. Participants, you may now pick your place. Okay. Go. Ay, wala. Wala daw. Yes. Ay, yes. Alright. Okay. What? Are you ready to go to Capital Daddy? Let's release Pablo. Group 2 and Group 3, okay? So let's give a round of applause for Group 1. Ayan, Group 1, dito po tayo sa front. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
I hope ito makita na sobrang love na love ko sila. Thank you po.
Naglakay ng time na kahit saglit lang, kahit medyo magulo, kahit malayo yung place, naglakay ng oras niya para bigyan sila ng pansin, masaya sila. Kaya, ayun, sineselebrate natin yung first year nila, sineselebrate natin yung mga dogs, sineselebrate natin yung life, yung happiness na nabibigay nila sa amin.
Isa mo malakas na palakpakan! Ayun! Alright, and of course, before I end the program, I would like to say thank you as well. Kaya for being here, because despite of still kapag dahil pagkitaharap ng buong mundo, ay naririto kayo upang samahan si Daddy, si Mommy, and of course, Gwen and Puffs to celebrate their first birthday. Ayan!